Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you are you getting annoying flash messages on your iPhone. As you can see guys in my screen showing balance, validity or service alert. In this video I will show you how to disable flash messages permanently on iPhone. So before we disable, you need to know what are flash messages mean. Flash messages, also known as class 0 SMS, special message sent by your mobile carrier. This message automatically pop up on your screen without being saved in your messages app. This message usually appear for balance alert, pack expiry reminder or promotional messages. iPhone show them by default. Okay, to disable these guys, you need to open the phone app, open the dialer pad on your phone. For Airtel user, you need to dial *121#. So guys, if you are a Jio user, you need to enter *111#. And if you're Vodafone user, you need to enter *199#. So I am using Airtel, so that's why I will enter *121#, and then press call button. So it will take some time, so wait it patiently. Now afterwards, here you can get this type of screen. Okay, as you can see guys, now from here you need to navigate to service messages or flash messages. You need to enter that particular number. So service messages and flash messages is not showing. I will open other services option, tap on replay and tap on 7 and then tap on replay button in the top right side corner of your iPhone screen. Now it will take some time to move on next screen, so wait it, don't close this. In case the option is not showing on your iPhone screen, if the option is showing there, you need to deactivate it or stop it from the on screen instruction. So in my case the option is not showing, so the screen was stuck on the same screen. Now you can try the method number 2. You need to contact the customer care executive and ask them to disable class 0 or flash messages on your number. That's it. Important note guys, iPhone itself does not have a built-in setting to block flash messages. This feature is fully controlled by your network provider only. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to Techify and comment if you want more iPhone fixes. See you in the next one.